Hello, Calendbook friends. How's it going? We are starting the year with two big announcements that we have on our roadmap. As you can see, first of all, signing with Microsoft is now live. As an ex-Nokia and Microsoft, this was a big deal for me. As you can tell, still when you sign up, you go back to the landing page and you still have to wait a bit, but eventually you do go in with your own Outlook or live Microsoft account. So this is an account that I barely use, but yeah, so don't email me because I will not check that. But so Microsoft is done. So developers. So maybe we can play a little fun video at the end. Let me get out of here. And the other big feature that we have and that we have announced is the ability, which a lot of you voted, is the ability to personalize and send email notifications via your own Google Gmail, thanks to salesforza.com. So I'll show you how that works, because that's also like a first version really. And so for that, obviously better if you log in with your Google account. And so you get into Calendbook with your Google account. And again, this is a first version. We were already talking after this first implementation about how we're going to improve it. And yeah, basically, you know what? Actually, I'll do it from the other account. Sorry, I'm even doing these errors, but whatever. Because I've already signed in with that account. I just want to show you the flow, because it's we're still going to improve it. It's a little bit for pros right now, and right now it's just for the email reminder, but at least you can start to personalize some of that. So let's say you want to personalize this email notification that you probably want to send it like, maybe like 30 minutes before the event, okay? And remember how now you have like, hours, days, whatever. You have a lot of options that you can do here. And I think you also have like Telegram, which is quite interesting. But let's stay on this email. So, hi, I actually do want to do something like, thanks. Please, this is something I do, like, please write me on WhatsApp or Telegram if there are any changes, as I check them more often than email. Okay, so you say send fully customized emails via Salesforce. You save the event type. Okay, yeah, of course the pop-up comes in 5 minutes before. And then you go to the integrations page, okay, under Salesforce, and you write the account from which you wanna send the email. Of course, you do install the extension, the Chrome extension. I have already installed. And once you've done that, you can connect your email to Salesforce. So now you will have like that personalized message will be sent from your email. So this is the first step. I think we definitely want to do it for a lot of other stuff, but we'll start with this and we'll keep going. Salesforce is also free to use, is a mail merge solution. So you can use that Chrome extension separately for saying like, hi Vince, hi Giovanni, hi Giacinto, whatever to your, it's got a little CRM that works with Google Sheets. But yeah, and actually Salesforce just went live on Wix as well, where also Calendbook is. So definitely if you have a Wix website, make sure you go on and download Calendbook app from Wix. And also, yes, you can also download Salesforce from there. Just went live today. So a lot of stuff happening today between Calendbook and Salesforce. And yeah, we plan to make more and more integrations. As always, take a look at the roadmap and let us know your thoughts. And if you ever want to reach out to us, please write us on our live chat right here. And we'll try to answer you as soon as possible. All right, guys, have a good one. Have a good weekend. And we'll talk soon. Thank you so much.